Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add PDF viewer to Framer. So this is the standard method for 2026. So what we are going to do basically is you need to upload your PDF to a cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or use Framer's own static files feature to get a direct URL. Now, what we are going to do is we need to add the embed element. So how we do that, we press I on our keyboard, or you go here at the top left corner where you see insert. Now we need to search for utility, which is down here, and right in this utility we need to find embed, which is also right over here. So drag it right over here. All right. Now select the embed element and look at the properties panel on the right side. So now ensure the type is set to URL right here, not HTML but URL, and paste your PDF's public direct link into the URL field. So I will go here to my Google Drive. So as you can see here, I have my summarized top electric vehicle trends. Now 3 dots right here and share with it, share copy link, this one, and now I will paste it right here in this URL, just like that, and press enter. And yeah, and now if you don't have any security policy, then this PDF will be shown right up here. So if I try to open like that and now copy this thing here to like that, enter, we need to wait a little bit. So it's unsupported protocol. But yeah, this is basically the method how you can add a PDF viewer to a Framer here inside. So probably my file is something is not right. So okay, this one won't be the correct one.